If you had what I had, you be bagging up. Bitch, I had that shit out from the back to front. Shorty eating my dick like a bag of lunch. And she clean the tip off with the tip of her tongue. And she gripping my shit like she gripping nigga. And I eating her pussy while she with my blunt. And I'm getting this money, what I do for fun. A lot of sour gas in my blood, so you can keep them fake ass runs. Ooh, I took your hold of the night, Jack. Bitch gave me a little nightcap. Don't call my whole bitch right back.